Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're in Delhi. This is day 2 in Delhi, and we woke up. We're sort of ready. I'm just gonna change. It's 10:30. We're gonna get out at 11:30. Manjot and I, we're gonna go shopping, and Mom and I have somewhere else to be. So let's get the day started. It's an exciting day. Keep watching, and I hope you enjoy.
Where is the other?
We're gonna have breakfast. So
There
chap,
is more और कुछ है?
mushroom,
थोड़ी
toast.
अंडा भुर्जी बनाओ।
Yes. We are done with breakfast. Dad is leaving and Mom is leaving, going somewhere. We're gonna get ready to and leave. Say hi.
Hi.
The vlog. Yeah, it's the world. Okay, see you.
See you in the evening.
Husband's making me chamomile tea. Thank you, babe.
Let it grow. You want it to grow?
Yes, let's go. Yeah, let's go. I'll get ready also. Okay, so we are getting out. It's I think 11:45. We're going to the mall, to Uniqlo, to buy stuff for our next trip, which is in a few days. Namaste. So, let's go. Okay, so we're sitting in the car. We're on our way. It's quite cold in Delhi, at least for me, not for him, clearly. But it's cold, and I have a cold. But like we have a heater at home, so it's fine. But it's kind of cold outside. We're gonna today. We're also going to go to Mami G's house tonight for dinner. So we're super excited. Okay, so we just got off the car and we're going inside. Let's go, let's go. We are just going up now, entering the mall. Oh yeah, Marks and Spencer's. You have the whole mall by heart. There's still Christmas decoration. Christmas is over. You want to drink something first? Oh. We're entering Uniqlo because I'm gonna buy jackets. Let's see. I only have one thing from Uniqlo, and Manjot has everything from Uniqlo. Because there's one Uniqlo, and yeah, he's wearing Uniqlo. But there's just one Uniqlo in Bangalore, and it's not very close to our place. So I haven't been at least. Ooh. But I don't like the collar. But otherwise I really like these jackets. We'll see though, come. This is really nice. Okay, so we're done with my shopping. I've basically taken 3 things. I took 7, and out of that I've tried and I liked these 3. I'll go home and show you what I got. We're just going to start Manjot's shopping now. Ooh, it's the same. You can literally get the same stuff. We can literally buy the same stuff, babe, and match. There you go.
This is yours is cheaper.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I mean, I think it's kind of that's basically what I can still I can also wear.
You look so good. Oh my god. But if
बिल स्पेंड आ गए 30 days में एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं।
we just got done, we're leaving. We spent like 2 hours here. But it was worth it. We're really happy with all the shopping. Are you happy with all the shopping?
Yep.
Okay, so we're finally done. We've bought I got 3 things. Manjot got 3 things or 2 things. I don't know. Got 1 thing for my dad. Now we're gonna go. Are we gonna go eat or are we gonna go to H&M? We're gonna go eat now. Oh, okay. We're gonna go eat. And we're gonna have sushi, maybe. Let's see. So we're at Pure Home and Living, and I'm just buying this. You checked it, no? For
Yeah.
okay.
This is fresh pastry.
Okay. Perfect. And those crystals.
So which one should I pick now? I've checked the pieces. It's all fine.
Manjot, can you help? Which one should I take? This one or this one? It's the same, I know, but you know me. So we're not going to Yum Yum Cha, we're going to Big Chill, but there's a waiting, so we're just going to go buy some more stuff and then go eat. We've come to Big Chill.
Thank you so much.
Can someone clean it?
Yeah, sure.
Wait, they have to clean it. You keep it here. So we've come to Big Chill. We're gonna have aglio olio. We're going through an aglio olio phase. Okay, so we've just placed our order. We've kept all the shopping stuff here. And I'm hungry. He's not, as usual. Let's see. Okay, so our pastas are here. We ordered for ravioli in pink sauce and aglio olio. Okay, so we're just walking to the other mall. I've been here before. We were here 7 years ago. Now we're back shopping for our house. Yeah. Oh, I have to wait, babe. We're going up to H&M. Okay, so we're gonna have something sweet. So we just got a strawberry Fraser. So we got our pastry. Oh, he's playing really well. We're just finding a spot to stand and eat because we don't want to sit anymore. We have just entered H&M home. Let's see. Let us see if we find anything. We are done. What time is it, babe? It's 4:10. We spent 4 hours almost. We're just going back, going to the parking, and then going back home before we head to Mommy G's. So we've just entered Def Call. We're on the way home. We're gonna chill for some time, and then Manjot.
Come back and then sleep.
That sounds very boring.
Because we did all the exciting stuff already.
Okay. We can do exciting stuff all the time. We're back. Watching a little bit of Michelle Chow. I'm gonna go get ready now. We're gonna leave in some time. Okay, so we're just leaving. We're going to Mommy G's.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm wearing a really warm sweater, so I feel okay. And no, I'm okay. This is fine. This is actually really warm. And yeah, let's go. Dad's driving. Chalo. We've reached Mommy G's house. This is the first time I'm coming. Yeah, but I've seen this on video when I used to video call him. Okay, let's go. Okay, so there was something wrong with the clips and the audio, so I couldn't upload them. But overall, we had an amazing time. The food was amazing. We had Manchurian and a lot of starters and rice and roti. It was never ending. But I can't wait to come back to Delhi and visit Mamaji and Mamiji's place. Loved the entire time we spent. And so we'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.